guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So Madam Glam sent me 4 gel polish, or they allowed me to pick out 4 gel polishes. And so I am showing you these polishes here. Oracle is a nice light brown. It's gonna make me think of coffee with a lot of creamer. It matches my skin tone. Like, I think it goes great with my skin tone. The next color is Fortune Glam, which to me is like a grayish green, perfect winter color in my opinion. And the next one we have is Mystique, which is a light purple as well. I think they all look nice, and the swatches were swatched with Madam Glam's base coat, 2 coats of color, and top coat. The next one is Astrological Goddess, which to me is like a purple pink color as well. All look nice, and I think they all looked great against my skin tone. So thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these gel polishes to feature on my channel. And so I do have on Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel, and I applied Madam Glam's base coat and cured for 30 seconds. These polishes are 21 free, HEMA free, cruelty free, vegan, and they have a 12-month shelf life. So let's get into this mini. And so I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I believe it's for 30% off. I have it linked in the description box below. That discount code is good if you don't want to sign up for their VIP program, which you pay, I think it's $29.99 a month for to have a discounted the polishes you can purchase at a discount, those credits. So every month you pay $29.99 and you get a $29.99 credit, and so you can let them pile up and make a big purchase, or you can use it every month. And so if you don't want to do the VIP program, you can use my discount code to purchase polishes if you wish to do so. Now guys, it's a little bit colder here. I live in North Carolina, and the weather is wishy-washy, so some days it's cold and some days it's warm. And so my nail room is in the basement of my home, and so yes, it's heated. However, I noticed that with my gel polishes specifically, they are a little thicker than usual, and so I decided to apply 1 coat of color of the Oracle color. I applied 1 coat and cured for 60 seconds, and I'm just doing a comparison. The swatch stick has 2 coats and my nails have 1 coat of gel polish. And so I'm then going to go in and apply Madam Glam's top coat and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so I do have UV LED gloves. I guess they're UV gloves that you use, but I've have 2 pair and they're too big for my hand. So I noticed that when and my hand's not that small, I think the gloves are just big. When I use them, they just slide all over the place. So what I've done, I lotion my hands, and I have some, I think it's Gloves Shield, I think that's the name of it. It's a UV protectant sunscreen for your hands, and so I use that when I'm doing my gel. I apply that off camera before I do my gel polish applications, and you know, hopefully it doesn't cause any issues, which I don't know if LED lights cause issue. I think UV does, and my lamp is an LED light. And so here are the nails top coated, nice and shiny, and I have these neutral stickers here from Shein that I purchased quite some time ago. And so these are stickers, and so I'm going in and I'm going to apply those to my ring finger, and I end up applying a second sticker to my index finger, and then I'm just going to rub until I get those where I want them to be and secured to the nail. And so I noticed with this sticker there's a little hump in my nail where it wasn't completely flat, and that's okay. I then go in and apply base coat, cure for 30 seconds, and top coat and cure for 30 seconds as well. And so off camera, I applied my cart nail rhinestone glue that you have to cure, and I placed some gold rhinestones from Poshy Nail Designs and some caviar beads. Now my middle finger was a little crooked after I looked at it, and I was like, oh, that cured crooked, but it's okay. You guys know I like to put some rhinestones on my nails. I like extra nails, do what works. And so I'm applying some cuticle oil after, you know, I cleared away my nail desk, put my stuff back up, and then I applied the cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. It's always been free. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you next time.